Apple Watch adapters. So we make these in a variety of sizes, more than you see here, and we're now making them in two versions. We've got our pin version and our screw version. There's really no difference in terms of strength holding the strap. It's really a personal decision, which version you like better, which looks better with your strap installed. So what I want to walk you through here briefly is how to install each type. So with the pin versions, we send you with 2 pins and 2 adapters. With the screw piece, we send you with 2 additional screws, reason being they're so small that you can end up losing them. So we send you with 2 extra ones. There's also a little bit of Loctite at the end of the screw to help hold it in its drive. So removing these, this is one installed with the screw. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble this. This is the Apple, it's the pentalobe tip. Okay, so you can see here, these are in 2 parts. So you can disassemble it like that. So that is the screw version. The pin version. First going to install the pin through the slot. So in this piece, we're going to use the fork shape tool. And so you'll see how that works here. At the ends, you can see there's a little ridge. That's actually spring loaded. I like to hold my thumb on the one end, grab it with the little slot. It's in there now. So you've got that secure. The other side, that's where the fork's going to come in handy. You're going to push that down, bring this over. There you are. That's installed. Now, on the sides of these, you can see the little hole. So that, on the flip side of the fork tool, is a push tool. So that fits right in there. So when you want to disassemble, push down, pull apart, and get it right out and replace it. So those are our 2 versions of our Apple Watch adapters.